Welcome back to the Techie Bytes by ResoluteAI.in. Don't forget to check out our previous videos if you are new to this channel. Also, to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay notified for future content. Till now, we understood what is Power BI, what are its components, how to import the data, transform it, use DAX over it, make a dashboard, and how we can auto refresh it.
So, today's topic of discussion is publishing your Power BI report to Power BI service.
Yes, so here I have a report from our last video. Show me how to publish it to Power BI service so that I can share it with others.
There's two ways to publish it. One, from file and publish. Second, from home tab, publish. But before that, you need to be signed in. So let's sign in first. Now we can just click publish. We'll have to select a destination. So for that you have to choose a workspace.
But tell me, what is a workspace?
Workspace is a type of folder where you can store reports and dashboard contents and then collaborate and share with your colleagues. But each Power BI member needs a Power BI Pro or Premium license for that. So now we'll select my workspace as destination. You can see now it has published our report successfully. You can just click open and it will take us to the Power BI service online. This is how it looks in Power BI service. It works same as it does on desktop. You can interact with slicers and then reset all the filters. You can even edit it here as well and use data or change formatting, colors, etc. Go to other page. After you are done, you can save it. Now here you can see workspace, list of workspaces, and this is my workspace, the common one. So all of our dashboard, reports and datasets are here. There is also a home tab where you can see your recent contents and stuff. Now here you will see the collaborated contents shared by your colleagues. You also have a deployment pipelines here, which you can create for your workspace contents. From here you can go back to your workspace and back to our report. From here you can share it with your colleagues.
This all seems pretty straightforward. Also, Power BI service is convenient to use.
Yes, you are right.
Well, I would like to know what more can be done in Power BI service.
Of course, in the next video, we will explore Power BI services in detail. Till then, keep watching. Thank you.